Hello everyone! Before we start, please click like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click the bell notification button. Yesterday I received this mailer box from Fiio, a China-based company producing low-budget, high-performance hi-fi equipment. And this time around I would like to try their warmer R2R DAC. Opening the shipping box, I found that R2R warmer DAC to be wedged between all those foams. The actual warmer R2R DAC itself is actually somewhat heavy considering what it does. I mean, you can find amplifiers that are lighter than this DAC. Opening the box, you will encounter this warning paper reminding you what voltage you have to use and how to put the warmer R2R DAC so it doesn't get overheated. Originally, I thought the VIO meter is going to be a digital VIO meter, but to my pleasant surprise, it's analog VIO meter. At the back, you can find a whole slew of connectors, including one pair of RCA output and one pair of XLR balance output, USB-C input, optical input, and also coaxial digital input. For the test, I used Denon Professional mini disc player / recorder. I also tested using my Tascam Professional mini disc recorder, and the end result is quite good. All the harshness are gone, it sounds very analog, and the mid-range, that's very sweet. It is not true to the source, but it's not supposed to be. It is supposed to be fun and pleasing to the ears. Using my Tascam Professional CD recorder, it yields the same result. Very analog sounding, thick in the mid-range, and no more harshness. Even testing it using the Panasonic UB9000 as a transport, the warmer warms up the sound. The only thing missing from this unit is analog pass-through. The way it is right now, I cannot warm up something that's already analog to begin with, but that's just nitpicking. After all, it is my job to nitpick. So tell me, do you prefer your signal to be as is, without any alteration, or do you prefer your signal to be more analog with warmer sound? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. As for myself, I'm gonna run the warmer R2R DAC for pretty much all 2-channel listening. And now that we have reached the end of the video, click like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.